Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name. Yellow color, yellow color. Red color, red color. Yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Green color, green color. Brown color, brown color. Blue color, blue color. Kids, now we coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids, first we draw A. A for apple, A for ant. And use yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. It's neither C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C. And use red color, red color. Kids again use red color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D. Kids neither E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And use yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. F. F for fish, F for fan. And again use yellow ochre color. Kids neither G. G for God. The alphabets of G. And use green color, green color. It's again use green color and draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. It's neither I. I for ice, I for ice cream. And use brown color, brown color. J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. And again use brown color. Kids neither K. K for kite, K for king. The alphabets of K. And use blue color, blue color. It's again use blue color and draw L. L for lion. The alphabets of L. It's neither M. M for moon. The alphabets of M. And use yellow color, yellow color. M for moon. It's again use yellow color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. It's neither O. O for orange, O for octopus. The alphabets of O. And use red color, red color. Kids again use red color and draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Kids neither Q. Q for queen. The alphabets of Q. And use yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw R. R for rose. The alphabets of R. Kids neither S. S for sun. The alphabets of S. and use green color, green color. It's again use green color and draw T. T for teacher. It's neither U. U for umbrella. The alphabets of U. It's neither U. U for umbrella. And use brown color. Brown color. Kids again use brown color and draw V. V for vanilla. V for vanilla. V for van. It's neither W. W for wolf. The alphabets of W. And use blue color. Blue color. W for wolf. Kids again use blue color and draw X. X for X-ray. Kids neither Y. Y for yak. The alphabets of Y. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Kids neither numbers. And first we draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use red color. Red color. O and E1. Kids again use red color and draw 2. The numbers of 2. TWO2. Kids neither 3. The numbers of 3. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 4. The numbers of 4. FOU are 4. Kids neither 5. The numbers of 5. And use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw 6. The numbers of 6. Kids neither 7. The numbers of 7. And use brown color. Brown color. 8. The numbers of 8. It's neither 9. The numbers of 9. And use blue color. Blue color. It's again use blue color and draw 10. The numbers of 10. Kids, today draw A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for hand, I for ice cream, J for jackfruit, K for kite, L for lion, M for moon, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for vanilla, W for wolf, X for X-ray, Y for yak, Z for zebra. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.